Well, welcome back to the channel, Old Cars, New Van. Well, good morning. We're in sunny Jim and we've got the dog in the back, hence the, you can probably see a rug in the background.
Yeah, but he's not happy, is he, darling?
He's not that happy, really, no. I thought he liked sunny Jim, but yeah, I think he was a bit grumpy this morning. Anyway, we're off to another car show. We are revisiting Wentworth Woodhouse. Now, if you're...
Wasn't that one of the first ones that we did?
That's right. If you are a long-standing viewer of this channel, you will know that Wentworth Woodhouse was the first big show we ever went to in Eddie, our T2 Volkswagen van back in the day. So it'd be really good to go back and see, because we haven't been back since, and it does hold fond memories as our first show, doesn't it?
It sure does.
So we'll see you there, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Okay, now you need to do.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Cheers.
Right, so we're here, we've arrived. All I would say is, it's a bit cold, to be honest. So anyway, hopefully the sun will come out later and it'll brighten up.
The thing about Wentworth Woodhouse is it's an incredibly impressive stately home. I believe the statistic is that it's got 300 rooms and is wider than Buckingham Palace. So yeah, great venue. I haven't really got going yet this morning. I haven't filmed anything.
You literally haven't filmed anything, have you?
filmed
Do you think like you're going to film anything, or we're just going to be at the car show and not do any
just
filming?
enjoy the show and not put anything on the channel. What do you think?
Oh.
Radical choice.
Oh well.
Yeah, they're really nice. These three have obviously arrived together. For some reason, they've parked in the 80s parking. But anyway, each their own. So I was going to start with the 80s line, but obviously this is a 90s BMW. Anyway, and that's a 70s Cortina. You struggle with the concept. Anyway, it's great to see all these wonderful cars out this morning. Nice dark blue Ford Cortina Estate. I nearly couldn't believe my eyes when this pulled in. This is the coupe version of our car, Sunny Jim. This is the B12 coupe, which is obviously incredibly rare as well. Not quite as rare as ours, but pretty rare. So that's a great spot to see that. Let's see the big Citroen Palace family. Yeah, this is the 7-seater version. Yeah, that's fantastic. 1980 on the W. Citroen CX Super. And as I say, it's the 3 rows of seats in that. And just a shot from the back of the coupe, and indeed the Cortina Estate. We got distracted by a rare 1970s Japanese car. Wow. Right, back to the 80s. It's an Austin Ambassador Y-Reg. Fantastic. Very, very clean B-plate Golf GTI. It's beautiful, that. And part next to us is a very nice, probably about 87 on the D for Granada gear. Very sharp. Obviously our car. And on the other side of us, a very nice limited edition designer F-plate Mini. For sale, XR4i. Goodness me. Before the Cosworth, this was obviously the fastest one. That's a real survivor on an A-Reg, that. Fantastic. Again, 1970s cars in, I don't know, maybe just sneaking into the 80s, but anyway, great to see. We've got a gaggle of Escorts, various shapes and colours and sizes. The Mexicos, and various shades of orange and yellow. Beautiful Alfa Romeo, that's a rare survivor. Yeah, that's lovely, the Sprint, really nice. Next to this Capri, I tell you what, this is rare. This Subaru, the pickup. Goodness me, can't remember the last time I saw one of those. Yeah, that really is quite something. Yeah, I like that. That's a rare spot, that really is. A Lotus XL. Extra GTE is cool as well. Hey, it's definitely a sunny day, look at this! Now of course this is the earlier shape and the saloon, but yeah, great to see. Rare these, very rare. Very sharp XR2 as well. There's sort of a second row here of 80s, so we're just going to go down here and see what we can see. Yeah, I do like that that Sunny Spirit 1.5 SGL. Wow, very clean Triumph for Clay in beige. Very nice. Yeah, it's very sharp, that. Definitely be a festival, an exceptional contender, that one. Scirocco. And a rather nice Volvo. Yeah, very tidy. About 86 this. On the C-Reg. A very distinctive noise of an air-cooled engine. Triumph Stag on the end, Myers' favourite. You can see the queue really building up now. I'm liking that Mercedes. I'm liking that a lot. Viva's smart. And certainly the Land Rover's making a statement.